Cryptocurrency Investing 2023, How to Make a Fortune with the Best Altcoins. Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you are going to learn about some of the best crypto and altcoins to watch in 2023. This is only an educational video and not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investing has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's no surprise why. With the rise of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, many people are looking to invest in the cryptocurrency market to potentially earn a fortune. But with so many different cryptocurrencies to choose from, it can be overwhelming to determine which ones are the best investments. That's why in this video we'll be discussing the best altcoins to invest in for 2023 and how to make the most of your money in this volatile market. First, let's define what an altcoin is. An altcoin, or alternative coin, is any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is the most well-known and established cryptocurrency, altcoins can offer even greater potential for growth and profit. One of the best altcoins to invest in for 2023 is Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and has a strong track record of growth. It's also the backbone of many decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts, which gives it strong potential for future growth. Another altcoin worth considering is Litecoin. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that is similar to Bitcoin but with faster transaction times and lower fees. It's also considered a silver to Bitcoin's gold, which gives it a strong potential for growth. Another crypto that has the potential to grow is IOTA. IOTA is a new technology that is trying to change the game in the crypto world by being a protocol that enables the communication between devices on the Internet of Things, IoT. It uses a new type of distributed ledger called Tangle that doesn't require miners, which is a big advantage over other cryptos. It's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward proposition. You should never invest more than you're willing to lose, and it's important to do your own research before investing. Make sure to keep an eye on the market trends, and don't be afraid to diversify your portfolio. Here are a few other altcoins worth considering for 2023. Cardano, ADA, is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a more secure and sustainable ecosystem for the development and execution of decentralized applications. It uses a unique consensus algorithm called Ouroboros that is designed to be more energy efficient and secure than other algorithms. Solana, Sol, is a high-performance blockchain that aims to solve the scalability issues of other blockchain platforms. It uses a new consensus algorithm called Proof of Stake that allows for faster and more efficient transactions. Binance Coin, BNB, is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange. Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and BNB has the potential to benefit from the exchange's growth. Additionally, Binance has been actively developing new products and services such as Binance Smart Chain, Binance DEX and many more. BNB is also used as a utility token for trading fee discounts and for participating in token sales on Binance Launchpad. Cosmos, Atom, is a decentralized network of independent, scalable, and interoperable blockchain ecosystems. It aims to create an Internet of Blockchains that allows different blockchains to communicate with each other and share data and assets. Chainlink, Link, is a decentralized Oracle network that aims to provide reliable and accurate data to smart contracts on the blockchain. It has partnerships with several major companies and projects in the blockchain space, which gives it strong potential for future growth. Now, let's take a look at the most common place to buy altcoins. The most common place to buy altcoins is on a cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular and reputable exchanges include Binance, one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a wide variety of altcoins and supports multiple languages. Coinbase, a popular exchange based in the United States that is known for its user-friendly interface and support for multiple fiat currencies. Kraken, a secure and reputable exchange based in the United States that offers trading in a wide variety of altcoins. Huobi, a Singapore-based exchange that is known for its security and large selection of altcoins. Bitfinex, a Hong Kong-based exchange that offers margin trading and a wide variety of altcoins. Before buying altcoins on an exchange, it is important to first research the exchange and make sure it is reputable, secure and regulated. Additionally, you should also verify your account and set up two-factor authentication for added security. Another way to buy altcoins is through peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms. These platforms allows you to buy and sell directly with other users, which eliminates the need for a third-party intermediary. It's important to note that not all altcoins are available on all exchanges, so it may be necessary to use multiple exchanges or P2P platforms to purchase all the altcoins you are interested in. But why is it so important to use a decentralized exchange? Decentralized exchanges, DEXs, are a newer type of cryptocurrency exchange that operate on a decentralized, blockchain-based platform. Unlike centralized exchanges, DEXs do not rely on a central intermediary to hold and manage users' assets. Instead, they use smart contracts to facilitate trades directly between users on the blockchain. One of the main advantages of using a decentralized exchange is security. Because decentralized exchanges do not hold users' assets, they are less susceptible to hacking and other forms of theft. In a centralized exchange, if the exchange gets hacked or goes bankrupt, users' assets can be lost or stolen. But in a DEX, users have full control of their assets and can withdraw them at any time. Another advantage of DEXs is privacy. Because decentralized exchanges do not require users to submit personal information or go through a Know Your Customer (KYC) process, they are considered more private than centralized exchanges. DEXs also have the potential to offer more transparency and fairness in trading. In a centralized exchange, the exchange can manipulate prices or manipulate the trading process to benefit themselves or certain users, but in a DEX, the smart contract codes are open source and can be audited by anyone, which can help to prevent manipulation. Additionally, DEXs offer a more censorship-resistant trading environment. Centralized exchanges can be shut down or censored by governments, but DEXs are decentralized and run on the blockchain, which makes them more difficult to shut down or censor. However, it's important to note that DEXs are still a relatively new technology and there are some limitations to using them. They often have lower trading volumes and liquidity than centralized exchanges, which can make it harder to find buyers and sellers for certain assets. In conclusion, investing in altcoins can be a great way to potentially earn a fortune in 2023. By keeping an eye on the market trends and investing in the best altcoins, you can potentially make the most of your money in this volatile market. But always remember, investing in cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward proposition, and you should never invest more than you're willing to lose. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay updated with the latest videos about cryptocurrencies and altcoins.